Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Polkadot from Exmo to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Polkadot is a popular blockchain network, and moving your assets securely is key to growing your portfolio. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active Exmo account with some Polkadot tokens and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, download it from the App Store and create a new wallet. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for added security. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Polkadot balance. That's where your tokens are stored. Next, open Trust Wallet on your device. Go to the Polkadot section, and if you haven't added it yet, search for Polkadot and add it to your wallet list. Now, for the transfer. In Trust Wallet, tap on your Polkadot wallet to view the details. Copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Head back to Exmo, go to the withdrawal section, select Polkadot as the currency, and paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the network fees. Before you hit confirm, take a second to verify everything. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. Once you're good, click Withdraw on Exmo. You'll get a confirmation prompt, approve it, and the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. Finally, wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see your Polkadot tokens arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your assets. If you run into any issues, double-check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status or reach out to Exmo support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.